Hi, everybody. This is Shane.
So we're talking about shopping for furniture.
I don't want to talk about this because recently I was moving some furniture and I hurt my rib.
Are you okay?
Furniture is so heavy.
Well, you're right, but what did you move?
I was moving the couch.
That's why.
So I don't want you to be funny because it hurts too much to laugh, okay?
How about if I tickle you? Okay. I'll stop.
Right.
Okay, well, let's take a look at today's dialogue. Okay, joking.
Trevor and Shirley are shopping for furniture for their new place.
What do you think of this couch?
It's nice looking enough, but I need to test it to see how it feels.
Well, what are you waiting for? Have a go. So in this part, we're talking about making a place ready for living.
That's right. What does it mean?
Yeah, what does it mean to make it ready for living?
I guess when you say to make a place ready for living...
Not dying. We don't want to die there. We want to live there.
That's right.
But it's not just to live. It really means to be comfortable, right?
That's right. For example, shopping for furniture would be one of the ways to get yourself ready, get the place ready for living.
Yeah, so it means it's going to look nice. It's going to be comfortable. It's not just you can live there, right?
You are right.
It really means to buy some nice stuff.
I love shopping for furniture, especially the beautiful and expensive furniture.
I have the feeling you buy expensive furniture.
Yes, of course, because expensive furniture look really, really nice.
My rib really hurts.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Okay, how about you though? When you shop for furniture, do you buy expensive ones?
Look at me, I'm very poor. I don't have any money to buy furniture, so I just sit on the floor and just look out the window because I can't afford to have a television.
Really?
Not really, I'm lying. Why don't we look at the dialogue?
Okay.
Right, the first part of the dialogue.
That's right. Today, Trevor and Shirley are shopping for furniture for their new place.
So it's one boy and one girl.
That's right.
So you be the boy.
Okay, no problem.
You do a pretty good man's voice, right?
I can do a really good man's voice.
Let's hear your...
Wait a second. Can you do a girl's voice?
Of course I can.
Okay, well, let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, here we go. I'm Trevor. You are Shirley.
Okay.
What do you think of this couch?
It's nice looking enough, but I need to test it to see how it feels.
Wow.
Pretty good, right?
You are pretty good. Okay, my turn.
Well, what are you waiting for? Have a go.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, we're both pretty good.
That's not bad, right? I have a pretty good girl's voice.
And I have a good man's voice. Not really.
Not really.
Okay, fine.
I think my girl's voice is better. What do you guys think?
Okay, but let's take a look at the first vocabulary word for today. Nice looking. Nice looking.
For example, Shane
is nice looking.
Very nice looking. Shane is very nice looking.
I was going to say Karen is nice looking.
Just not very, just nice looking.
Okay, fine. Very nice looking. So when you say something or someone is nice looking, that means they look nice.
就长得很好看，或者是很好看。
That's right.
Right? Don't you think so?
我们两个都很好看。
Right?
We're both nice looking.
Okay, not really. But it's a good example.
That's right.
But sometimes when we talk about something being nice looking, we might not mean that it's very, very, 不是很好看，就是还不错。
That's right.
So it doesn't always have to be 很好看. It could be like, 还不错。
That's true.
So 我们还不错。
Okay.
Right?
We are pretty Nice looking.
Okay, so the second vocabulary word is test.
Test, like you mean writing
No,
test?
you guys hate tests, right? I hate tests too. This is the verb.
Oh.
To test something. If you test something, that means you want to see if it works properly. Or to see if you like it. So you want to try it to see.
Like testing something out,
It's
right?
like give it a try.
Ah, I see.
So I like to test my couch before I buy it.
That means you need to try it first and to see if it's comfortable enough.
Right. So you're going to need to sit in it and feel how it is.
That's actually a really good idea before you buy a big piece of furniture.
So will you ever buy furniture online?
Nope, never.
Why?
Because I always have to test it too.
Because I'm poor. I feel
You're not that poor.
But I feel like buying things online, you can get them for much cheaper. Instead of going to the store, sometimes things are more expensive.
You are right, but what if it's not comfortable? Right?
I guess maybe some furniture, like a couch, you might need to sit in it and feel it. But a table,
I guess
I
you're
think
right.
if it looks good, then you could buy it.
So it depends on what kind of furniture you are buying.
That's right.
Right? All right. Let's take a short break and we'll be right back.
I'm going to go rest my rib on the couch.
Are you okay?
I'll see you guys after the break.
Wow, it's very soft and it's comfortable to sit on too.
You seem pleased. Hey, this would go well with that armchair over there.
I agree, and that armchair would be perfect by our bookshelf.
Yeah, and they would both look great in front of our TV stand.
Okay, so that's a done deal then.
Welcome back, everybody.
Oh,
Are
hi.
you okay?
Yeah,
How was your rib?
it's still hurting.
Really?
Still hurts.
Still hurts from the furniture, right?
Yeah, what are we still talking? Oh, we're still talking about furniture.
We're talking about shopping for furniture.
Shopping for furniture.
That's right.
That is right. Okay. Yeah, it's feeling not so great. But we can still do this.
Okay.
But I think this time when we do the conversation, maybe you can be the girl and I'll be
Why?
the boy.
You don't like my man's voice?
Your van voice was very beautiful. I like it a lot. But I feel my girl's voice when I talk like that, maybe it's not very clear.
Okay, fine. So I'll be Shirley.
You
then,
be Shirley.
And you can be Trevor.
I'm Trevor.
Okay.
Okay, Shirley, begin.
Here we go. Wow, it's very soft and it's comfortable to sit on too.
You seem pleased. Hey, this would go well with that armchair over there.
I agree. And that armchair would be perfect by our bookshelf.
Yeah, and they would both look great in front of our TV stand.
Okay, so that's a done deal then.
But remember, I don't even have a real TV. In real life, I'm too poor to afford a TV.
Really?
That must be so nice to have a TV to watch.
And having a TV stand as well?
Yeah. Wait, so they said that's a done deal. What's a done deal?
When you say it's a done deal, that means, okay, that's it. We've decided to do this.
So here, they are going to buy the furniture
That's right.
that they were talking about.
So they said, that's a done deal.
Okay, so that means, okay, we decided, 我们决定好了。好，就这些。It's a
That's
done
right.
deal.
And the vocabulary is soft. Soft.
Soft.
When you say something is very soft, for example, like your clothes may be soft, my hair may be soft, my little stuffed animal may feel very soft, whereas the floor
Ooh.
might feel very, very hard.
Your hair is really soft.
Do you think so?
What do you put in your hair to make it so soft?
Well, conditioner and also some, hair treatment.
It smells good too.
Doesn't it?
Yes.
I love it too. How about yours? Your
yeah,
hair is
pretty-
not so soft.
Pretty hard.
Yeah.
Dry, hard.
A little bit too dry. You should use conditioner.
The next vocabulary word is pleased.
Pleased.
So if you feel pleased with something, that means that you feel like really happy, right?
Okay, really happy about something.
I had an
That's right.
example. I would be very pleased if I had soft hair like Karen's.
Aw, that means you'll be very happy if you had soft hair like mine.
Exactly.
Well, you know what? I'm very pleased to hear that.
Wow.
That means I'm very happy to hear that.
You're good.
I am good.
You're really good.
And on top of that,
What?
I'm very pleased with your performance today.
Stop. Really?
Yeah.
I'm pretty happy with my performance too.
We're both pretty
I
good.
think I just spit when I said that. Pleased. Yeah, be careful when you use words like pleased that start with P,
That's right.
because it's easy to spit when you make a P sound.
And people wouldn't be pleased when
All
you do
right,
that.
this is a done deal.
All right. And let's take a look at the grammar focus.
Yes.
Trevor and Shirley are shopping for furniture for their new place.
What do you think of this couch?
It's nice looking enough, but I need to test it to see how it feels.
Well, what are you waiting for? Have a go.
Wow, it's very soft and it's comfortable to sit on too.
You seem pleased. Hey, this would go well with that armchair over there.
I agree, and that armchair would be perfect by our bookshelf.
Yeah, and they would both look great in front of our TV stand.
Okay, so that's a done deal then.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Stephanie。我们来看一下对话中的单字部分。第一个呢是 nice looking， 形容词好看的意思。There are many nice looking people on the TV show。这个电视节目里好看的人很多。那第二个呢是 test， 它作为动词的时候是试用、测试的意思。那我们一起看一个例句 ：The clerk said we could test the hair dryer。店员说我们可以试用这一把吹风机。第三个 soft 形容词柔软的意思 ，This blanket is so soft， 这条毯子好软哦。第四个呢是 pleased 形容词满意的、高兴的意思 ，Jake is pleased you could come， Jake 很高兴你可以来。那我们今天要讲的课文重点呢有3个，首先呢第一个是 place 的用法 ，place 呢它可以作为名词还有动词使用。所以作为名词的时候呢，它有主要2个比较常用到的意思。第一个呢是住处、居所的意思，比如说你今天要说我家，那比较口语的说法呢就是 my place。那第二个呢是地方、场所的意思。当做动词的时候，它除了可以是摆放、放置的意思呢，它还有另外一个很常用的用法是 place an order， 也就是下订单的意思哦。所以我们一起看一个 place 作为名词的时候的例句。Sarah is holding a housewarming party at her new place. Sarah 呢，她要在她的新家举办乔迁宴。好，第二个文法是 What does somebody think of 加名词，也就是某个人觉得某件事情或是物品怎么样。Think of 在这里呢，它是认为、觉得的意思。那我们一起看一个情境句子：当一对情侣一起去逛街的时候，你们觉得男朋友最怕女朋友问什么？也就是女朋友从试衣间唰出来说 What do you think of my clothes？ 你觉得我这件怎么样啊？好，第三个 have a go， 也就是试试看 ，give it a try 的意思。have a go 呢，它可以单用 I'll have a go， 就是我想试试看。但如果你今天想要以完整的句子表达你想要尝试的某件事情，那么你只要在后面加一个 at， 然后再加你想尝试的事情。例如 Ethan will have a go at making a movie。Ethan 呢，他想尝试做一部电影。
Mitsui Outlet Park, Linkou is full of stores. It offers clothing, bags, sporting goods, and other products. It also has a theater, a supermarket, a bookstore, and many types of restaurants. Shoppers can have fun and find everything they need. The mall has inside and outside areas. Its inside shopping areas are bright and have lots of space. On the weekends or during festivals, the outside open areas have interesting shows and activities. One of the best parts of the mall is its great food. If you love sweets, you must go to the dessert area in B1. On the second floor, there are popular restaurants and a food court.
See you next time!